Hi friends, you want to see what we're going to work on today? We are going to learn how to draw a penguin. So you have a few different ways you can do this. I did this one with ice skates and earmuffs on. You can do that. Or you can make a bow on the top of your penguin. Or you can do a penguin with skis on and a winter hat. Here's a few that your classmates did here. I have this one with the skis and the earmuffs. Another one with just the earmuffs on a hill. And then this one has the skates on. And this one just has pink earmuffs. So what I need you to do is to get just a regular sheet of white paper and some crayons, and you're going to get a black crayon. Now remember, when we're talking about drawing, it's all about shapes and lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to do two circles for the two eyes. So we're going to do a circle here and color it in. One there. And one there. I think I need to make this one a little bit bigger. Okay. Now we are going to make the shape of the penguin, and the top is going to be almost like a heart, okay? But if you look at it, the bottom comes down and there's no point down here. It's just round and comes around. So let's do the top as a heart. So we're going to do a curved line, go in a little in between the eyes, and then do another curved line. And come all around so it connects like that. So get a orange crayon, and we're going to do the beak now. And the beak is just a triangle that's like this. And then color it in. Get nice and dark. Make no white spots in here. You want to really press down on the crayon. You don't want to break the crayon, but you want to press down so you get no white areas in there. Get your black crayon again and come and outline that orange triangle in black. Okay, now we are going to make this part of the penguin, and we're going to color it in together. So how you're going to do that is that you're just going to make another line that follows this line around the penguin. And goes like this. So let's color that in black. If you need to stop the video because I'm going too fast for you, you can do that. But I want you to concentrate this week on getting those white areas off your paper. Now, what do you mean? What I mean when I say those white areas? Let's see if I can focus this. And see, I got some white areas right here where the white paper is showing through on the black. Try to make an effort to get rid of those. Why? It just makes your drawing look so much better. Oops! I just broke my crayon. Didn't I just say not to press hard? We all make mistakes. There's a lot of different kinds of penguins, and I know that I posted some videos on penguins, and I'm going to post the same videos down in the comment section of the YouTube page. So if you saw a penguin in there that you rather do that doesn't look like this, I was noticing in those videos that some of those penguins had different beaks. Some of them had yellow, some of them had black, some of them had white. That's artist choice. You can decide whatever color beak you want for your penguin. Remember, if your hand hurts from coloring, you can always stop and take a break and go eat lunch. Go do something else. Don't feel like you have to sit down and do a drawing all in one sitting. I rarely do that with my own art. Sometimes you're just tired, your hand gets tired or your eyes get tired. That's okay. Okay, now we have our penguin body. What are we missing? We're missing penguin flippers. Remember, penguins don't fly, but they swim. So we're going to make some flippers. And again, they're just shapes. You got a curved line coming to a point, and then another curved line coming down to that point and meeting. All just curved lines. So color in your flippers. So I got a question for you. Where in the world can you find penguins? And the answer is not the zoo. Where in the wild can you see the penguins? Well, if you said the South Pole and Antarctica and parts of Africa and Australia, you are right. Okay, got one flipper done. Let me do the other. I'm trying to get all my white spaces out too. Something that I need to work on. Okay, feet. Let's do triangles for feet. Get your orange crayon again. Again, artist choice. If you want to use a different color, you can. And we're going to make 2 triangles down here for the feet. And you're going to color them in. Okay, and then we're going to outline the feet with your black crayon again. Why do we outline the feet and the beak and everything? Just because it makes it stand out a little more. I think it looks better. Okay, so we now have our penguin. We need to decide now, do we want to put a hat on its head and skis? Do we want to put a bow on its head? Or do we want to put earmuffs? Let's go with the earmuffs one for now. So what we're going to do again, drawing is all lines and shapes. So what shape are we going to use for the earmuffs? We are going to use a circle. So come over here and make 2 circles. And you're going to make a curved line to connect this earmuff to that earmuff. So you're just going to come over here and make a curved line. Now I like how I put some little hair or feathers sticking out of the top of the penguin. So I'm going to put that here. You don't have to. You could also, at this point, you could do the bow. Do the bow and then stick the feathers on the top if you want. But I'm just going to make this a boy penguin, and I'm going to go like that. Now I want to put, you know what? I want to color in his earmuffs, and I'm going to use my favorite color, green. So let's color those in. So you can use your favorite color. Okay. Now we need to add a scarf, and let me think, what color do I want to use for the scarf? I'm going to use maybe red. Let's get a red out. And again, just lines. So you're going to do a line from here over to here, and another line that follows this line with being the same curve. And then you're going to color that in. And then we're going to do the part of the skirt that comes out here with the fringe. Okay, and then I'm going to do the fringe by just doing some lines like that. Okay, I want to put ice skates on my penguin. So get your black crayon or gray crayon, or if you have a silver crayon. I don't have a silver crayon. What you're going to do is you're going to do 2 lines coming off the foot here, and then a line that goes straight connecting them and does a loop like that. You see that? Come on, let's do it again. 2 lines, and then line down that loops up. Now my penguin looks like he's floating in the air right now, that he's flying. So let's put a ground line back here so we can see. Maybe he's on ice right now and he's ice skating. Okay, and then up here, since I have a white background, I could either color this blue and then add snowflakes with white, or I could just do snowflakes like this in black. And then you're going to come down the corner and sign your name in the right hand corner, because all artists sign their artwork. So I'm going to put Ms. W. That's done. So I look forward to seeing your drawings. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week, everybody.